Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're showing this beautiful Jura WE8 that an office in San Francisco recently purchased. And we just are setting up and getting ready to install it at their office. It's a great machine and super easy to use. So if we want to make an espresso, we just press this button. You can see the progress bar as it makes the espresso. Nice crema. See, it has a nice mirrored finish. So there you have it, the Jura WE8. Thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.